Multiply 4.052 by 100 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. The third partial product is 405,200. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. In the thousands column, 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. In the 10,000s column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the 100,000s column, bring down 4. The product of the whole numbers is 405,200. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 3 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 3 decimal places. Place the decimal point 3 places from the right. 405,200 becomes 405.200. That is simply 405.2. So 4.052 times 100 is 405.2.